Alright guys, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zaini. This is my last roof bar lights that I have taken down because I changed my rooftop tent from the classic soft top to the hardshell, and also I have to modify my roof rack. So there's no place for me to install this bar on the roof rack anymore. So in this video I will show you how I install this back on the Pajero. I probably mount this on the new rooftop tent where there is a slot that I can put a nut and bolt in that slot and mount this light bar on it. So don't go away, stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. So before I do anything, I need to dismantle this and see how I'm going to mount this on the rooftop tent. Okay, I've removed the light bar from the bracket. Right, I got two nuts here. I think one is M8 and this is M10. So I'm going to try to slot into the groove that I have on the rooftop tent. Okay, this is the groove that I'm talking about. So I can slot in this nut into this groove. Then I can tie the LED lights onto here. So if I mount this bar, it's going to be like that. That should be okay. That's nice. Yeah, I think I do that. So I need a bolt. Alright guys, just come back from the hardware shop. This is the nuts that I need. It's a slim nut, a thin nut, so it's about 4.5 4 millimeter. But what I found is the standard nut has about 5 millimeter. So I need to grind this nut so that it can fit into the groove of the RTT. So this is the nut I'm talking about. This is 4mm nuts, so which I can slot into this groove. But this one is too thick. It cannot go in. So I need to grind this to 4mm thickness. Then I can use this bolt. Okay, just finished grinding. This is the nuts that I grind for the right thickness, and this is the original. I only have 4 of this, so I grind 4. Then you can use I need 8 all together to mount the LED lights. So done this one, so let's go and fix the lights. Okay, we are done with the front one. There's 2 lights at the back. I'm going to mount the same place, but slightly different. So let's do it. Alright, the 2 LED lights at the back has a hole like this. So I have to remove this. Then I can use the bolt also to mount this. So let's lose this one first, and let's go. For the back one, I can use this 2 bolt because I'm not using this. My leather is on the side, so I'm not using this. Then I can use and mount this here and put the lights in here. So I'm going to remove this and then use these 2 bolts to mount this bracket. This nut is not long enough to grab the nut behind. So I will have to use the Allen key bolt and nut. This is the big screw. 2. Alright, so let's do this side. Alright, the mounting is done, front and rear. So the next step is to take this Pajero to the accessory shop to complete the wiring, and then we can test out. So let's go. Okay guys, job is done, both front and rear in good condition. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Until we meet again in the next video. Assalamualaikum.